Okay, write down a percentage that lies between 1/3 and 2/5. Okay, now we've got two fractions, haven't we? And we want a percentage between these two fractions. So we need to know what this is as a percentage, yeah? What both of these fractions are as a percentage. Then we can get a fraction that lies between them. Now the issue with 1/3 is, okay, it's quite difficult to scale that up to get it out of 100. If you think about it, 3 won't go into 100, okay? And it's really awkward if you try and scale it to a different value and then get it to 100, okay? Right? So we can go about it a different way. We could change 1/3 into a decimal, okay? Remember, 1/3 simply means 1 divided by 3, okay? That's what 1/3 means, isn't it? That's what a fraction is. 1 out of 3 means 1 divided by 3. So if I use the bus stop method here, okay, I'm going to do 1 divided by 3. So whatever you're dividing by on the bus stop goes on the outside, okay? So in this case, I'm dividing by 3, so 3 goes on the outside. And it's 1 I'm dividing by 3, okay? Now, of course, you can ask the question, how many times does 3 go into 1? Well, of course, 3 will not go into 1. 0 times, okay? But we're not done, are we? Because I haven't actually used that 1 now. We're going to carry it forward, okay? 3 does not go into 1, okay, or goes into 1 0 times. So we carry that 1 forward. Now there's nowhere to take it. There's nowhere to take it here. So what I'm obviously going to do then is put my decimal point, because 1 is a unit. And then we're going to go into the decimals here, okay? So we're going to go into the tenths, hundredths, thousands, and so on. So at the moment, there's none there, isn't there? There's no tenths, there's no hundredths, there's no thousands, there's no 10,000s, and so on, right? So that 1 I carry, yeah? Okay, 3 doesn't go into 1, so I carried it. Put a decimal point up there as well, okay? 3 into 10 then. Now 3 does fit into 10, doesn't it? If you go through 3 times table, 3, 6, 9 goes into it 3 times, with of course 1 left over, yeah? Goes into it 10 times, it goes into it 3 times, making 9, so there's 1 left over, so I carry that 1. 3 into 10 then goes 3 times again, yeah? Okay, giving me 9 again, so a remainder of 1. 3 into 10 then, 3 goes into 10 3 times, okay, leaving a remainder of 1. And you can see this is just going to keep going like this, yeah? 3 into 10 3 times, and so on. So you get what we call, okay, recurring decimal, okay? So 0.3333 and so on. It goes on forever. Now that's a decimal, but remember, to change a decimal into a percentage, all we've got to do is, right, times by 100, yeah? So to change that decimal then to percentage there, I'm going to times by 100. And when you times by 100, the numbers move up 2 places, don't they? So there's 2 zeros there, it moves up 2 places. So the 3 won't go into the units, it'll go into the tens. So we get 3, the other 3 then will move up 2 places. So we get 33.3333 and so on, okay? So that's what it is as a percentage, right? And we can actually write that then as 33.3% recurring. So we can put a dot above that there. So dot means it just repeats there, okay? Now, so I've got that there, what 1/3 is. I've got to do the same then for 2/5. But the good thing about 2/5 is it does go into 100 quite nicely. So I can scale this one up, right? It'll be a lot easier. So what I'll do here is, first of all, maybe I'll scale it to 10. So I'll double the bottom, yeah? So if I double the bottom, I'm going to double the top, so I get 4. And then I'm going to scale this up then to 100. So of course I've got to times that then by 10. So times the top by 10, so I get 40. So that becomes 40%. Okay, so I've got to find a percentage that's between 33.3% and 40%. So it's up to you, it's your choice. You could choose 35%, 37%, 36%, whichever. Okay, and we'll circle my answer there. Okay.